Anyone else feel like cooking from Chinese recipes is basically opening a mystery box every single time? A pinch of salt, cook until fully done, stir fry until fragrant, cook the same dish 10 times, you'll get 10 different flavors. I've been baking for 8 years. So why does cooking a simple home meal still feel like witchcraft? Hey everyone, I'm Mason. Welcome to Mason's Test Kitchen. This is my first video. Here, we treat Chinese recipes the way bakers treat their craft. No, a little bit of this. No, just until it feels right. Every dish a precise, repeatable experiment. Zero guesswork, zero disasters. For our very first dish, I picked the simplest one, and honestly, my all-time favorite side dish, soy sauce eggs. You've definitely had tea eggs before, but soy sauce, eggs, bolder flavor, deeper umami. Every single ingredient is already sitting in your kitchen. No special grocery run required. Total beginner, close your eyes and go for it. First, let's go over the ingredients and tools. Every ingredient is listed with exact gram measurements, pause, and screenshot anytime. I've organized all the ingredients into 4 categories. 1, the core flavor base. 2, bright and fresh elements. 3, aromatics for added depth. 4, the liquid medium. For tools, here's what you'll need. A pot for boiling water, a kitchen scale, a timer, your phone works fine, and a container for the eggs, preferably airtight. First, the eggs. Precise timing, 9 minutes, 12 seconds. That's the sweet spot for a perfectly runny yolk. Never drop them in, splashes will burn you, and a cracked egg means it's over. Once they're all in, reduce to medium heat and set your timer to 9 minutes 12 seconds. The moment it beeps, transfer them straight into an ice bath. This step is crucial. The ice water halts the cooking instantly, and the thermal shock makes the shells peel right off. Smooth, not a single dent. That's the power of a repeatable process. Same steps, same result every single time. Now, the marinade. This is the key part. Let's start with the flavor base. 60 grams of light soy sauce, 4 grams of oyster sauce, 12 grams of white sugar. Quick note, a lot of people mix up light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Here's the difference. Light soy sauce, lighter in color, it carries most of the salt and umami. It's the main seasoning in everyday Chinese cooking. Dark soy sauce, darker in color, thicker in texture. It does one thing, color. Essential for braising, stewing, and marinating. But too much dark soy sauce? Bitter. So for this recipe, light soy sauce only. No dark soy sauce needed. Next, brighten the flavor. 8 grams of black vinegar. 8 grams of apple cider vinegar. Half a small lime, juiced about 2 grams. No lime? A thin slice of lemon works too. Third layer, aromatics. 1 clove of garlic, sliced thin, about 10 grams. 1 gram of sesame seeds, 1 bird's eye chili, and 1 green chili, both sliced into thin rings. The chilies add a clean, refreshing heat. Bonus garlic and chilies both help slow down bacteria growth. Finally, the liquid. 80 grams of water. It dilutes the salt and acidity, acts as the carrier. Eggs need to be fully submerged. That's how the flavor seeps in, slowly, evenly. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Minimum 8 hours in the fridge. That's how long it takes for the flavor to fully penetrate. They'll keep in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. Only take out what you're about to eat. Important note here, use clean utensils. Don't dip a dirty spoon back in. Cross-contamination cuts the shelf life short, and at worst, it'll make you sick. I usually go with 1 at a time. I use a spoon, scoop out the egg, drizzle a little marinade on top. The flavor is incredible. If you follow my measurements and timing exactly, your eggs will come out exactly like these. That's our first recipe. Simple, reliable, 0 fail. If you're tired of vague recipes and want precise, repeatable Chinese cooking, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.